What is the present perfect? Part 1. Now, the present perfect can be used in a number of ways, but in part 1, we will look at the present perfect that talks about an action that happened in the past, such as a past experience. Question examples. Have you been to Malta? What countries have you been to? Examples of possible answers. Yes, I have been to Malta before. I have been to France and Italy. Let's break this down so it's easy to understand. Question, where have you been? And the answer, I have been to France and Italy. Now, if we draw a timeline, we will find that on the left is the past, on the right is the future, and down the middle we have the present. Now, the yellow cross is going to be our question, where have you been? This is a general question to do with a past experience. The blue cross is going to be our answer, I have been to France and Italy. So we can give one X for one country and another X for another country. And this confirms that this person has been to France and Italy before. This cross can be France, and this cross can be Italy. So this question, where have you been? You are asking where someone has traveled to in the past, but you are not asking when the experience happened. The answer, I have been to France and Italy, you are telling the person the names of places you went to, but you are not saying when the action happened. Now, the structure of the present perfect is subject plus has or have plus past participle plus object. The past participle. This is the third form of a verb. So, for example, be, been, go, gone, see, seen, travel, travelled, work, worked, perform, performed, climb, climbed. Example sentences. I have been to the UK. She has seen the film. He has travelled around the island. We have climbed Mount Everest. They have worked together before. Video challenge. Complete the following sentences. The example sentence is I blank in the blue lagoon, and swim is our verb. So the answer is I have swum in the blue lagoon. Now we have A, B, C, and D. What do you think the answers are? That's correct. A is he has finished his homework. B, she has travelled around Japan. C, I have been to Brazil. And D, we have tried snowboarding. Can you make your own present perfect sentences? Leave your comments below. Like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website to find out how you can have lessons in Malta with us. And thanks for watching. Learn English in Malta with us.